Hello friends, welcome to my channel Art by Ela. In my last video I had shown you how to draw pictures and jars, and I had told you that in my next video I will be showing you how to shade them, give shadings to them with the help of a drawing pencil. So in this video that is exactly what I am going to show you. You can see that I have first drawn a jar, or we can say a Moroccan jar, which is what this is. See, I have first sketched it and then colored it with the help of watercolors: blue, dark brown, yellow, slight red and slight brown here. So this is what I have drawn, and then I have put very light shades of watercolor. Now what we will do is we will be shading them with the help of a pencil, and it's a drawing pencil. I have used this pencil, a Camlin Supreme pencil, and this is how it looks. You can use this as well. So you can see that I have colored a jar, a Moroccan jar, or you can call it a pitcher or just a jar kind of thing. So first we will start shading the mouth of the pitcher. This is how we will shade. Okay, and then we will slightly shade the side of the pitcher. Let's first darken the outline. We'll just darken the outline and then again start from here. It can be a bit uneven in the sense that the shading is always not in the same line, but we need to darken it. Okay, now we will do this portion just with slight shades, and you need to hold the pencil like this, not like this, not from the top, but from here. Okay, and we will put a bordering line in between. You can see that I've already put shades of brown on the picture. I have colored them, and that is exactly where we'll make it all the more dark by putting some shade. Okay, let's go down. Let's put it like this first, and then can you see how a difference it's making, how different it's giving you, it's giving a very different look. See how different it is looking already. Now the lower part of it, and now from this side, okay, we'll shade it from top to bottom, and like this. Let's straighten the sheet, and yes, I have taken an A4 size paper, this much paper, and it's a very normal chart, white chart paper. If you want to know how it is, how it has been painted, it's normal white chart paper. Let's do like this and then like this, and now let's put some shading on the outside. We'll just even it out later on, just very slight strokes, no need to put it all the way, all the more dark, just like this. We'll even it out later on. Let's go on to the other side. Okay, and some more shades. Now you can see we are putting light shades now. It's lighter than the previous one, right? Here also we'll put. See, this is how it looks. Now what you can do if you want to make it look a little bit more different, you can just take a piece of cotton like this that I have taken and just see. Similarly, we'll do it here also. See, very slightly with very light hands we are going to do this. And this is how it looks now, and very slightly we'll put so this is a very basic shading that I have applied. See how different it looks now, and I'm sure you have learned the basics of how to put a shade and how to do shading for a variety of objects. I'll be taking up more classes on how to shape different objects. So if you want to see more of my videos, please press on the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting videos on my channel Art by Ela. Bye and take care.